Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel! Are you looking to start a career in web development or simply want to build your own website? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring the best programming languages for web development. From JavaScript to Python and Ruby to PHP, we'll dive into the pros and cons of each language. So, let's get started. First up, we have JavaScript. It's the most widely used programming language for web development, and for good reason. JavaScript allows developers to create interactive client-side functionality for web applications. It's also the backbone of popular frameworks like React and Angular. Pros: ubiquitous, versatile, and widely adopted. Cons can be complex security concerns. If you're new to web development, JavaScript is a great language to start with. Next up, we have Python. It's a popular language for web development due to its ease of use and versatility. Python is often used for back-end development, especially with frameworks like Django and Flask. Pros: easy to learn, fast development, and vast libraries. Cons: slow performance, limited support for parallel processing. If you're interested in data science or machine learning, Python is a great choice. Now let's talk about Ruby. It's a dynamic language known for its simplicity and ease of use. Ruby is often used for web development with the popular framework Ruby on Rails. Pros: easy to learn, strong focus on code readability, and large community. Cons: slow performance, limited support for parallel processing. If you're looking for a language with a strong focus on code quality, Ruby is a great choice. Next, we have PHP. It's a mature language that's been around for decades. PHP is often used for web development, especially for building dynamic websites and web applications. Pros: mature ecosystem, wide adoption, and easy to learn. Cons: security concerns, outdated syntax. If you're looking for a language with a large community and plenty of resources, PHP is a good choice. Finally, we have Java. It's an object-oriented language that's widely used for Android app development and enterprise software development. Pros: platform independent, large community, and robust security. Cons: complex, verbose, and slow development. If you're interested in Android app development or enterprise software development, Java is a good choice. And that's it for today's video. We've explored the best programming languages for web development, from JavaScript to Java. Remember, each language has its pros and cons, so it's essential to choose the right language for your project's specific needs.